some of this WD-40 on here. Keep it nice and moist. Storm season's coming. Gotta put the engine away, cover it up. Cops keep getting called because it's so loud. So I'll probably put it away for a little while. But sure would be some good use for maybe a 4-wheel drive truck or some other project. It's a beautiful engine. It's been around for about 70 years. And taking good care of it. For more information, see the engine run, you can visit our YouTube channel, Mr. Allison Wonderland. We got our email, AllisonWonderland1710@hotmail.com. See how neat this engine actually is.